Welcome to Office 24 by 7. In today's video, we're going to explore one of the most important areas of your WhatsApp communication, WhatsApp campaign analytics and reports. Let's start by understanding why WhatsApp campaign analytics and reports matter. Whenever you run a WhatsApp campaign or send messages at the record level, every message sent, delivered, or read becomes part of a larger story, your campaign performance. Office 24 by 7 gives you complete visibility into that story through detailed delivery analytics, usage metrics, delivery rate insights, ROI dashboards, and performance tracking for every campaign. All these insights are available within the WhatsApp module. Every message sent through Office 24 by 7, whether from campaigns, records, or automations, is logged here. You'll see standard fields that help you identify the campaign name, the number used, the message content, the recipient's mobile number, and the exact time the message was sent. Alongside that, you can view the delivery status, whether the message was sent, delivered, or read. If a message wasn't delivered, you'll find an error description explaining why. You can also see which agent initiated the message and the full DLR status, delivered, undelivered, read, or anything else. To make your tracking easier, you can use the filter options available in the WhatsApp module. You can filter data by campaign name, delivery status, or any other parameter you choose. You can even add multiple conditions using the Add button. Once you've applied the filters, you can save them as custom views, like Messages Sent Today, This Week's Campaigns, Last 6 Months Delivered Messages, or Campaign-wise Messages. These saved views make it much easier to monitor and categorize your WhatsApp communication data. You can also create campaign-specific views to understand how many messages were sent in each campaign, how many were successfully delivered, and how many were read. This helps you segment and analyze performance on a campaign-by-campaign basis. Moving on to the report section, this is where the analytics get even deeper. You can create customized reports as per your requirements. For example, I've created a report called Campaign Reports, which shows campaign-wise messages and their delivery performance. It gives me a clear view of how many messages were sent, delivered, and read for every single campaign. I can also group the data by campaign name to quickly identify performance trends across campaigns. You can even create pivot table reports for a more dynamic analysis. In these pivot reports, you can simply drag and drop fields to view campaign-wise data and metrics. This makes it easy to see at a glance how many messages were pushed out in each campaign and how they performed overall. Our reports are completely customizable. You can apply groupings and aggregations based on your preferred parameters, like campaign name, message status, or initiators. And if you want to share your insights with others, you can easily export the data into a CSV or Excel file. Even in the downloaded version, the data structure will remain consistent with your pivot view, including campaign names and total counts. Now let's talk about dashboards, which provide a quick visual summary of all your WhatsApp activities. Here I've created some sample dashboards. Let me walk you through an example. When you open the WhatsApp Metrics dashboard, you'll see several widgets. In this, Agent-wise Interactions shows how many messages were pushed by each agent. Read Message Metrics shows an overall breakdown of message statuses, including delivered, undelivered, no DLR status, and read. The Delivery Status widget shows the total number of messages that are delivered and undelivered. There's also a Campaign-wise Metrics widget that gives you a clear overview of message volume per campaign template. Along with detailed performance insights for each of these dashboards, provide a complete snapshot of your WhatsApp communication at both individual and organizational levels. In summary, Office 24 by 7 provides end-to-end WhatsApp business management, right from meta integration, business number activation, and template approvals, to sending messages directly from any object or record, managing WhatsApp inbox and agent console, running WhatsApp campaigns, building chatbot flows, and setting up automation workflows that trigger messages when specific events occur on leads, contacts, or tickets. And now, with WhatsApp analytics and reports, you have everything you need to track, measure, and improve your WhatsApp communication strategy, all in one place. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore our previous videos to learn more about WhatsApp configuration, campaigns, chatbots, and automation in Office 24 by 7.